Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kashish Pawar, and I'm an Indian badminton player. I have represented in several national and state badminton tournaments. So, first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy and energetic Senior Citizen Day. So, जिस गति से लोग बूढ़े होते जा रहे हैं, अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि जल्द ही मोदी जी को वृद्ध पेंशन शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. But age is just a factor, and age is just a number. So, being a sports person, here I am to teach you some exercise so that you can remain fit and can also fight this weapon of death named COVID-19. So, first of all, as I'm also having my grandmother, so she usually complains that she's having problem in her neck. So what I used to suggest her is to do some neck exercise so that she don't suffer from any of the pain or something like that. So first of all, I would request you all to join me in the exercises. So the first exercise will be that you have to stretch your neck upward, and you all have to do according to your limits, like how much you can push yourself. Don't be so aggressive to cross your limits. Do according to your comfort zone only. Okay, so let's start. First, you just join your hands and push your neck upward. Stretch it only till 10 seconds. Let's start. Change. Now put your both hands on your head and push it downward. So some like little bit pain will be there in your neck right here, but still so that it doesn't get worsen in future, so that we are doing this. Now put your right hand on left hand side and just push it downward. Now bend it to the left side. Okay. So these 4-5 exercises will help you in not getting any jerk or something in your neck or shoulders. It will also help you so that you won't get any frustration, no neck pains and all. Okay, so now we'll do some chin exercise also, which will also stretch your neck like this. Okay, so let's start. Now put your 2 fingers on the chin at right hand side and push it on the left hand side. Now on the other hand, now I want to repeat it again. Do it in your comfort zone only. Don't restrict yourself. Whenever you feel much pain, just stop it. Okay, now let's do other side. So कुछ stretch हो रहा होगा पक्का. Okay, so now just rotate your head clockwise. We'll do it 10 times slowly, so that every angle, the rotation should take at every angle. Okay, so let's start. 10 times. Take full rotation. Do it slowly. Now just stop. Now move your head anti-clockwise. This also 10 times. Just remember that you have to do it slowly, slowly. Stop. Now just move your this side, means this thing, your head only right, then left, then right, left. 5 times each side. Half rotation, this is called half rotation. Okay. So with my grandmother's problem, I think I have cured your problem also. Like, you won't have any neck pains or something if you are sitting anywhere for longer period of time, I think. Okay, so you have to do, like, whenever you get time, you should do these exercises. These exercises are very beneficial, as well as they don't, like, they take time, but they don't need any of the equipments. And also everybody, not only senior citizens, but kids also do this exercise, because as we know that these because of ongoing virus corona, so everybody is sitting on their laptops and everything, and PCs. So they're having that, they are used to they have to switch on their cameras and all, and they have to sit in still position. So these exercises will help them to cure the neck pains and all. Okay, so that they don't suffer. Now let's move on to the eye exercises. With neck, eye exercises are also very beneficial. And as we know that in old age, like eye problems and all, conjunctive eye contact, or everything happens, like everything happens to eyes in old age also. So let's do some eye exercise also. So first of all, rub your hands, rub your palms, and then, like, the palms should become hot. Rub it. Now put it on your eyes. Now put the hands on your eyes till it become warm. Like, it is warm, like till it becomes cold. Just place it on your eyes only. Don't remove it. Now something blurry will be shown, but it's okay. Your eyes, your nerves, like all this will be relaxed by doing this. So let's do it again. Rub your palms fastly. Place it on your eyes. I'm feeling very comfortable with my eyes. I think you all should also be feeling very comfortable and relaxive by doing this. Now let's move on to another one. You have to do this exercise for approximately 5 minutes, because it will really help you in like improving your eye contact, and it will really relax your muscles, eye muscles, which is having like very much pressure, holding very much pressure. It will really help. Okay, so let's move on to another one. Now just place your thumb in front like this. Just watch onto the tip and just stay in same position. Relax shoulders, relax neck. Okay, everything relaxed. Now, and hand should also be relaxed, not stiff, because it won't work at all. If your body will remain stiff, it won't work. For any exercise, not only this exercise which I'll tell you, for any exercise, your body should not be stiff. It won't be usable if your body will be stiff from any of the part. So let's do it. Just place your thumb. Okay, now just only your eyeballs should be moving, not your whole head. Not like this. You should not do like this. Straight hand, open one thumb, and just do it like this. Just move your thumb slowly, and your eyeballs with that only. Come back. Yes. Again. You should try not to blink your eyes while doing like one round like this. And you should not bend your elbow and do like this and this. You should straighten your elbow and then do. Okay. Now let's move on to the left hand side. It also should remain straight. Come on. Eyeballs only should be moving, not your head. Four to 5 rounds every time. This will actually, I'm telling you, this will actually increase. And if you are wearing spectacles, it is very common these days that older people, like elderly people, are used to wear spectacles and all. So remove your spectacles and do this exercise. It will really help you to like improve your eyesight and your eye nerves. I'm really telling you, it will really help you. So the next exercise will be, just place it and focus on it without blinking. So this exercise will also help you in like I told you, like it will help you in improving your eyesight. But with eyesight, it will also help you in your mind, like how to control your mind. For meditative also we can perform this exercise. It is really helpful. And for, as we know कि सभी बोलते हैं, for improving eyesight it's very common to have green vegetables. Yes, it is surely 100% right that we have to have green vegetables. And like it is very difficult to have boiled without any mirch masala green vegetables, but it is very beneficial for our health, like for our immune system and inner building system. It's very helpful, but it's very difficult also, I know. But we can have like little bit only. I mean, just this much is cooked, and little like one spoon every like family member can take, and it will help you all. Okay, so the next exercise will be of shoulders, because as we know that some of the like most of the elder people face problems of shoulders, like having like sitting in the same position for long time, and they are having shoulder problems, like they have very pain in that, and they can't, like while laying down also, while sleeping, while curving yourself to from one side to another, it takes very much of pain, like they have to face very much of pain. So for this thing, you have to first sit straight without any taking any support on your back, and just do like this, up, down, inhale, exhale. Only just your shoulders should move, not your full arms, only just your shoulders, up, down, up, down. You should do is like approximately, if you're starting it, you should do it 10 times, and you should repeat this for like 10 repetitions, and there should be 3 sets approximately if you are starting, or not 3, you can do it, start with 2 sets only, like total 20, like not this is 1 2, it's not like that, it's 1 up, down, it's called 1 repetition. Okay, so 10 repetitions and 2 sets. It will, I'm telling you, it will really beneficial. It will also, like we all know that in like elderly age group also have problems of back pain, so it will also help you. This shoulder exercise will also help you in reducing your back pain, and it will also cure. Okay, so the next will be this, rotate. Stay at one position and just rotate your elbows 10 times clockwise. Now 10 times anti-clockwise. Now the other exercise will be like, you have to bring your elbows forward, bring it, then just one, open it, close it, open it, close it, open it. And when you are opening it, it should be full stretch, like at back also and at front also. So open it, close it, open it, close it. Do it 10 times. Yes. So I know like little bit arms hair will be paining, but I'm telling you again that it will reduce your shoulder pain, and with shoulder pain it will also reduce your back pain. So do perform this exercise. Now, like as we know that elder people used to go to market sometime, and if they see a vegetable vendor or a fruit vendor and sees that, oh wow, आज तो बहुत अच्छी सब्जी है, let me buy. So at that moment, like sometimes we don't have our what do we say, like grandson or granddaughter with us to carry the load. So at that time it is very difficult to carry the loads for them, and at that time they also think that leave यार, रहने देती हूँ, कौन उठा के इतना सामान लेके जाएगा, आज रहने देता हूँ, कल उसे लेके आऊँगा और कल लेके चलूँगा. And maybe your fortune will not be good at that time, like tomorrow the vendor will be present or not. So at that moment of time, what I want to say is your wrist, like to carry the loads, your wrist is very like powerful and is needed. So at that time wrist should be like, okay, अब तो जान चाहिए, and जान उस टाइम उठाने के लिए दिमाग से पहले लानी पड़ेगी. First, before like strengthening your physical strength and or physical fitness, you should keep working on your mental fitness also. Mental fitness में तभी कर पाती हूँ जब मैं फिजिकल फिटनेस में तभी कर पाती हूँ जब मैं मेंटल हेल्थ पर काम करूँ. It is very 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 important while you are a sports person or you are a non-sports person. It's very important to have mental health. Like in these days also, like when जब corona आया था, what we all were hearing that everybody is getting depression, सब depression में जा रहे हैं, that corona हो जाएगा तो what will happen and what won't happen. So the thing I want to say is do work on your mental health also. Yeah. So that we were talking about that vegetable vendor thing. So for that purpose, your wrists are needed to carry that loads. So for that purpose, we are now going to do the wrist exercises. So first, just pull your arm, right arm, and just stretch. From 4 fingers should be stretched like this. Count till 10 slowly, slowly. And yeah, remember, your hand should be straight. Don't bend it and do it like this. Just stretch your arm fully and just do it. Stretch it. Count till 10. Yeah. So your wrists are stretching. These nerves will be stretching. Now repeat it with the left hand. Stretch. Straighten your arm and stretch. Yes. Okay. So for this also you should do it like count till 10 seconds and perform this 3 sets. It's 3 sets are very much important, okay, if you are starting. Then the next exercise will be like this. Open your fingers, close your wrist like this and open it. Close, and when you are opening, just remember that all your fingers should be stretched out. When you are coming back, it should be tightly closed, and when you are opening it, it should be stretched. Every finger should be stretched. This will reduce your hypertension and anxiety as well as stress. Just calmly close it, open it. Close it. Just count for 3 seconds and then open it. Then again close it, open it. close it, open it, and just stretch like this. You can even have a smiley ball, or like, what do we say, tennis, no, not a tennis ball, a smiley ball which you can press and open, press and open. It will really help you to get out of the stress and anxiety whichever you are facing. Like, it's very general that you will be facing any anxiety or stress in this age, but no worries, there are exercises which can help you to reduce them. So I think this all will be there from my side, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. And once again, happy Senior Citizen Day.